Ever scratched your car and thought, oh no, how am I ever going to match this color perfectly? It seems like there are a million shades of blue, red, or silver. Well, the secret isn't in your eyes. It's in your car's paint code. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to find this magic number so you can get that flawless touch-up you're really looking for. So, what is a paint code? It is a unique combination of letters and numbers that car manufacturers use to identify the exact shade of paint on your vehicle. This isn't something you can just guess. Getting it right means the difference between a seamless repair and a patch that sticks out like a sore thumb. The first and easiest place to look is the vehicle identification sticker, or VENG sticker. This little label holds a treasure trove of information about your car, including the paint code. Its location can vary, but the most common spot is on the driver's side door jamb. Just open the driver's door and look at the frame of the car. You'll see a black or white sticker, usually near the latch. Once you find the sticker, you'll need to know what you're looking for. The layout differs between manufacturers. For example, on many Fords, you might see XPNT, which stands for exterior paint. The code will be right next to it. For General Motors cars, like Chevrolet or Buick, the code is often at the bottom of the sticker, following BCCC, which means base coat. Clear coat. For Toyota and Honda, it's usually labeled CTR, for color and trim. The paint code is the first part of that sequence. Don't panic if it's not on the door jamb. There are other places it could be hiding. Pop the hood and check the firewall. That's the metal wall separating the engine from the cabin. Sometimes manufacturers place the info plate there. Another spot to check is inside the glove box. On some older cars or different models, the sticker might be there. For some European brands, you might even find it in the trunk, under the carpet, or near the spare tire. Well, it's like a little scavenger hunt. Let's walk through a few examples. Say you have a Toyota Camry. You'll likely find CTR on the door jamb sticker. If it says 280 FE13, your paint code is 280 NEF. The FE13 refers to the interior trim color. If you're driving a Ford Mustang and see XPNT, UX, then UX is your paint code. It's that simple. Once you know the lingo, what if you've searched all these places and still can't find it? Maybe the sticker is damaged, painted over, or just missing. Don't worry, you still have options. Your car's vehicle identification number, or VENG, is your next best friend. The VENG is a 17-digit code unique to your car, usually visible on the driver's side dashboard through the windshield or on your vehicle's registration and insurance documents. You can take this VENG to your local dealership's parts department. They can look up your vehicle's specs in their system and give you the exact paint code. This is a surefire way to get the right information directly from the source. Alternatively, there are numerous online VM decoder tools. You can type your VENG into one of these websites, and it will pull up a report on your car, which often includes the original paint code. Some automotive paint supply websites also have this feature. Just be sure to use a reputable site. Another great resource is your car's owner's manual. While it won't have the specific code for your individual car, it will almost always show you where to find the information plate on your particular model. It'll have diagrams pointing to the exact location, which can save you a lot of time searching. So, let's recap the process. First, check the driver's side door jamb for the information sticker. Look for labels like paint, color, CTR, or XP. If it's not there, check under the hood, in the glove box, or in the trunk. If you still can't find the sticker, use your VENG. You can either call a dealership or use an online VENG decoder to get the code. Once you have your paint code, you're ready to go. You can confidently buy touch-up paint, a paint pen, or an aerosol can, knowing it will be a perfect match. This little code empowers you to handle minor paint repairs yourself and keep your car looking brand new. No more guesswork. No more mismatched colors. I hope this guide helps you on your next car project. It's a simple skill that can save you a lot of headaches and money.